Now the big question is, how do I show gratitude to Allah? I want to thank Allah. I want to thank Him because I need good health, better health. I want to thank Him because now that I have good health, I don't want to be affected by the negative health that is, for example, via the pandemic that we are going through right now, or any other sickness and disease. May Allah protect us and grant us cure. And may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala have mercy on those whom He's taken away. But I want to show gratitude to Allah so that I have increase. Because that equation, remember, you want increase, show gratitude. So the question is, how do I show the gratitude? Very simple. Number one, understand that you must fulfill your obligations unto Allah. That is the primary method of showing gratitude to Allah. Before you say, oh Allah, thanks to you, that lip service, what is more important than it is to obey the instruction of Allah. If you did your 5 salah a day, it is far more valuable than saying, I appreciate your favor upon me, O Allah. Because you could say one thing and your actions are heading in another direction. But if your actions are part of the praise, and those actions happen to be the obligations that Allah has placed upon your shoulders, you are successful. Imagine someone, the same man who gave you the 10 or 11,000, we made it now, right? And suddenly he says, sorry man, can you just press this button here for my car to open the doors? And you walk away. Would you walk away? That's the question. It was simple to say, no problem, I'll press it 5 times for you. Right? Do you agree? Because the man did a favor to you. He was kind to you. Kindness should breed kindness. هَلْ جَزَاءُ الْإِحْسَانِ إِلَّا الْإِحْسَانِ. We know that verse. It's in Surah Ar-Rahman. Is the recompense of favor or goodness anything besides goodness? Obviously, it is goodness. Someone does good to you, do good to them. So if that person told you, can you just press this button? You would immediately say, no problem, bring it, I'll press it. When Allah, who has given you your life, your food, your drink, your clothing, your sight, your smell, your health, your wealth, everything tells you just pray 5 times a day, how can we say, you know what, it's a bit cold at the moment, it's difficult to make wudu for Salatul Fajr, so I think I'll give it a miss as it is. I heard Allah is Ghafoor, Rahim and most merciful, it's okay. He'll understand that it's cold. La hawla wa la quwwata illa billah.